I recorded all of those ideas okay, here we go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. So, tools, apps, websites, you can share all of those, the ones that you use frequently and you find helpful. The top 10 favorite books, movies, animes, Amazon products that you use, unboxing underrated and popular products that you get. You can also do a unique collection of coins, clothing, any objects, things you have around in your home. What's also good is to do when you're bored, what to do at home, and you share fun ideas. You can also be doing something like following a recipe without having a recipe, without having the steps, without having the guidelines. So you're just going into it blindly. You can also do something that challenged and changed your life. Maybe if you're doing YouTube videos, when you hit 1,000, how that changed your life. Maybe when you get paid, the first paycheck, how much YouTube paid you. People love money videos. How did you make the money? How much you make? All of this money stuff and advice. Maybe your favorite stuff to do for 24 hours. Do something for a day, a week, a month in a certain way. In maybe productivity shit, all of those productivity hacks and tricks and tips. Maybe cutting social media and just going for a week without social media. Maybe going for the dumb phone. So put off your smartphone and just have a flip phone and just live with that for a week to a month or whatever. Oh, I'm running out of space. I'm running out of space. We're halfway there. Okay, so we're close. We're close. Maybe copy a celebrity style, a routine for something. Also, a bucket list, dreams, goals, vision board, all of the things you want to do for this year. Age lessons, if you're 20 years, 20 lessons, 25 years, 15 years, depending on the age. Tier ranking, S tier, down tier, any other tier colors thing. Uh, Try something trendy that is right now the topic and every TikToker or the Instagram or YouTuber talking about, and it's the main thing. Reaction videos to your oldest videos, to most popular, to something you made a long time ago. Survival skills for the job or something you work on or something you wished you learned before, after, during that hobby, skill, art, work. Before and after, room decoration, phone app cleaning before you download it and after you use it, something experience you go through it, showcase it and document it and share to people. Okay, there's more, but if you're afraid to run out of ideas, just use ChatGPT or other AI tools. Just use VIQ or other YouTube stuff, and just listen to podcasts, drawings, just movies, books. All of the stuff are helpful. Go outside. Think outside the box is literally going outside of the home to the street, and yeah, don't aim to do something new, but do old new. Because here's a little secret: new stuff are older than new, and ideas are just combination from past ideas. Tools, apps, websites, How do you pause this? You can share all of those, the ones that you use frequently in your phone. Still recording. So yeah, good ideas are just a combination. New ideas are just a combination from old ideas and new ideas. So lastly, I want to say that is to improve on an idea of the past is called smart. To improve on an idea from our time is called genius. To improve on an idea from a future time is to be called ahead of your time. And thank you for watching.